QTV, QuickTime View.
We'll start with Ctrl A to select all contents of the page or the current document. Ctrl A, which is more easy than dragging the mouse from the top to bottom in order to select the entire text of the page. You can copy the highlighted text by pressing Ctrl and C, and paste the copied text from the clipboard to the current position in the document by pressing Ctrl V. Now we will move on how to cut text in your current document. To do that, first we have to select the text or images you want to cut. Then press Ctrl and X key combination. To move that text to another location, we will paste it by pressing Ctrl plus V. Then if you want to undo the last action you performed, you press Ctrl Z. And if you want to redo the last undone action, you press Ctrl Y.
Thanks for watching.